Yeah. IPOB, one family. IPOB, one family. Yeah. Umuchineke, this is IPOB Brapan. IPOB Brapan South Africa meeting. Yes, we are live. Holy, Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. Biafra, Nyamarapu, Biafra, Gabebosagabiri, Anyamarapu, Biafra, Gabebosagabiri, Biafra, Gabendo. IPOB Brapan South Africa. Today is their meeting. We visited their unit. We visited their zone. Yeah, this is to show the world that IPOB here in South Africa is here to stay. We are Umuchineke. Nnamdi Kanu is our leader. The DOS is our leadership. The DOS is our leadership. When you see all these people ranting on social media saying that they love Nnamdi Kanu, they can't love Nnamdi Kanu more than IPOB members. They can't love Nnamdi Kanu more than IPOB members. IPOB is a big family. Nnamdi Kanu is our leader. The DOS is our leadership. We love Nnamdi Kanu so much. We love our leadership so much. This is just a meeting, not a protest. It's just a meeting. IPOB South Africa, Gauteng executive visited a unit, just a unit in here, one of the units here in South Africa, Brapan unit, Brapan zone. So all these people ranting on social media today, they cannot do this. They cannot do this. You see how many people here today? Just a meeting, not a protest. But we decided to march on the streets here in Brapan for people to see that IPOB is formidable. IPOB is formidable. What we want is freedom of Biafrans from Nigeria. What we want is freedom of our people. What we want is freedom. Yes, you can see people, you can see the members. You can see the members. We are formidable. IPOB South Africa unit here in Brapan, South Africa. We can see it. Thank you. Umuchineke. For the people that is saying that IPOB is dying or IPOB South Africa is dead. IPOB South Africa is dead. That is a lie. IPOB is here to stay in South Africa. Yes, this is not all IPOB members in South Africa. No, this is just a unit. This is just a zone here in South Africa. Just that IPOB Gauteng executive visited here in Brapan. We visited their meeting. Today is their meeting day. We visited them and we decided to do this. We don't want to do this, but we decided to do it. We didn't plan it, but we decided to do it. Yes, IPOB is formidable. IPOB is formidable. IPOB is formidable. Yes. IPOB is here. Yes. This is it. IPOB, one biggest family. IPOB, one biggest family. IPOB, one biggest family. We are moving forward. The DOS are wise. The DOS, they are our leader. We stand with Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu is our leader. The DOS is our leadership. The DOS and Nnamdi Kanu, they are one. You can't separate it. Yes, you can't separate it. Yes, you can see it. Yeah, this is Brapan unit, Brapan zone here in South Africa. This is not all IPOB members here in South Africa. Yeah, we are moving. So, the May Gabazu. Each of Ezioku, Biaba IPOB. Each of May Gabazu. Each of Ezioku, IPOB. Odi onye mme IPOB. Chai, IPOB. And so, IPOB, one biggest family. This is just a zone. It's just a zone. It's not all IPOB in South Africa, no. And so, we just visited them in their unit today. Yeah, today is their zonal meeting, so we decided to visit them. Yes. IPOB here in South Africa. Chanwa Chineke, but Africa dozo budani kani lagi biribe. Bamari chanwa Chineke nyero mu Biafra dozo budani kamona gibiribe. Tam tam. Tam tam, tam tam, computer, ya webe, ya suba, ya webe, vereno, ya computer. Bomari chanwa Chineke nyeru mu Biafra kodozo budani kamona gibiribe. Bomari chanwa Chineke nyeru mu Biafra kodozo budani kamona gibiribe. Tam tam, tam tam, tam tam, computer, ya webe, ya suba, ya webe, computer. Bomari chanwa Chineke nyeru mu Biafra kodozo budani kamona gibiribe. Biafra. Biafra nyamarapu Biafra gabe bozo gabi anyamarapu Biafra gabiri Biafra gadendo Biafra Biafra nyamarapu gabe bozo gabiri gabe bozo gabi Biafra gadendo. Yeah. IPOB is one family. IPOB is one family. You see all these people ranting on social media, saying that they are IPOB members. Let them come out and do this anywhere they are in the world. Let them do it. This is IPOB unit, IPOB zone here in South Africa. I want Methuselah to come out live and do this on a street of Oslo with IPOB members there. If he claims that he's an IPOB member, let him come out and do this. Anyone fighting the DOS, let that person come out and do this. If that person believes that or say that he's an IPOB member, let him come out and do this. Yes, we are here. We are here. IPOB is one family. One family. Adomina, 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 you can see men, IPOB is one family. Yeah. So I think we are done. We're about to finish. I didn't plan this, but I just do it. Yeah. This is to prove today to all these people ranting on social media claiming that they are IPOB members. They are not. IPOB will know ourselves. Dalono. Bara mumbehem chukuna. Na na na.